Ready to go? Supposed to increase.
Right now should be around 630 horsepower and 650 torque.
Oh my god, yo! Holy shit! Okay, yo, it's definitely way crazier than before.
That was about 10% throttle.
Oh shit! Okay.
Maybe 15%.
Oh my god, dude, that's a big difference from before.
That is a big difference.
How much throttle was that?
That was maybe 20%. Like I haven't begun to press the throttle yet or anything.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god! Wow! That's holy shit!
That was 150.
150 kilometers per year, right?
Per year.
Yeah, per year. Yeah, not per hour. That's right. Just making sure, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, can't get over this. It's just insane.
And Tune hasn't adapted.
Is that CTS? Me? Yeah, it is.
Oh, do you hear that new turbo spool?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Just spin city.
Oof. These brakes are
good.
They work really well.
Probably need the, and they're not even warm yet. We need to hear that backfiring.
Yeah.
Open this. Oh, yes.
It's a bit of a difference in power delivery.
Yeah? Oh.
What a beast. It's letting us through. I can't actually wind down any gears.
Not here.
Noise. Oh, it spins all of third.
Really?
Yeah.
So that was third right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Understand? Okay, just start the throttle.
Yeah. That little crack in the pavement. Do you see that?
Yeah, it's feisty. Holy shit. Like that was no more than 20-30% throttle.
Oh my god. Man, that's just ridiculous.
It's dangerous. It's actually a dangerous car to drive.
Go inside, like, make it back to stock.